morning, everybody.
I'm Sierra.
And I'm Asia.
And we're CNH.
I wouldn't cheat, but you're just too perfect. I cannot lose you, it's just not worth it. I know they tweet and the most is capping. I thought I told you, ain't nothing happened.
And right now, it is currently 8:10 in the morning. And we're gonna walk down to the beach because we look a mess.
Yeah,
We literally just woke up, but I wanted to go down to the beach right now because it feels amazing outside. And I didn't want to wait until later because it gets too hot. And I know Asia, she wants to sit out here for a good minute. So it's like, why don't we just do it in the morning where it feels good? It's like 70 degrees right now. Perfect weather. A little breeze. Later in the day, it's going to get like 90. It's going to get like 90 degrees, so. And I can't do the heat, the humidity. I can't do it. So, I woke Asia up about like 10, 15 minutes ago. So let's go to the beach. We were supposed to be going to watch a sunrise or a sunset, but I don't think that's happening. But just a little bit. Sun is barely up, but last night, I don't even think we closed out our video last night. We went to birthday dinner and then we went around and tried to find haunted houses, but they were all closed. By the time we got done with dinner, hopefully you guys can hear me. So, yeah, we didn't really do much last night, but I enjoyed my day yesterday, my birthday. So, we're almost at the beach, y'all, so we'll see you guys when we hit the sand. We made it, y'all. You waiting to take yours off? It don't feel good right here. Oh, hard. Y'all haven't really seen Asia much on the camera. She don't like y'all. She don't want to talk to y'all.
Sorry. Everyone. But yeah, this is my second time on the beach. I think, no, third time.
Third. Our trip is coming to an end.
I'm so sad.
Day 4. No, it's November 1st.
Yep.
We leave tomorrow night, y'all.
So scared for the plane ride again. Y'all gonna see.
Man,
That's what I'm dreading.
that's crazy.
I'm dreading.
Hopefully you guys enjoy our weekly. I'm gonna upload every day. I got a lot of editing to do on the plane, y'all.
So you know what you signed up for.
I don't care. Hopefully I get them done in that 2 hour. That'd be lovely. I mean, I don't got nothing else to do. Might be a little tired though.
I know. I hope you sleep.
So there's the sun. So
What time we got to board tomorrow? Like
10:55 is when the gates close. I mean, when we're supposed to take off. So the gate gonna close probably at like 10. 10:10. Be by the airport by 9. They're just trying to find shows.
Download the full high-definition beat after purchase.
He said I was afraid of it. I said, look at all those streets.
Please do me a
They wasn't?
I don't think so. Beach vibes.
Beach vibes. some scenes for our new intro. Bet y'all didn't see that coming. No, we didn't either. We just kind of did it.
Right.
So now it's probably what? Get dressed, and then
Film some more of the intros.
film more of an intro, and then
Just in.
all right, y'all. We'll see y'all when we figure out what we finna do. Bye. Carrie Asia. She's about to be buried. Asia's gonna be buried. 1, 2, 3. Buried. So we on our way back to the hotel.
Starting to get hot. So starting to come out.
Yep, we finna get dressed. Or whatever. Right, hold on. We'll see you guys when we get back in the hotel room. Look, this is how you know it's humidity out here. Look, humid. Some. But anyways, we back at the room. We finna pack some of our things.
Oh yeah.
Take showers, get dressed. So yeah. Enjoy. Enjoy. Yeah, I forgot to tell y'all that we at John's Pass. We back down here. We've been here for like 40 minutes. Going into gift shops and stuff.
Walking in and out. We got like 3 things, I believe.
Yeah, we got a picture frame and then 2 coffee mugs.
Yeah.
We'll show you guys when we get back like we always do. Now we're going by the water more.
I know they hear it.
Yeah, I know, right? It's so beautiful down here. But yeah, we finna come down here and see if they got any gift shops down here. Huh? I do want to do those. Well, it looks like we're not gonna do those today though. Hopefully tomorrow. If not, then oh well. Do it tomorrow.
Imagine when you bite that, huh?
Yeah, this is sweet tooth heaven. Look at this. And they got ice cream, caramel apples, some over here. They just got chunks of. Look how big these are. So we're done eating. I don't know what we're gonna do now. I know. I feel like I'm bloated.
Me too.
But what are we gonna do?
Ooh, I don't feel like this.
I feel like we walked all the shops. That's really it.
Right.
I would say what's not down there, but I don't think there's nothing. I think this is all food. Anyways, I don't know what to say to you guys.
Right.
We're really just walking right now. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we went to all these shops.
Yeah, every single one we went past.
So I don't know what we're about to do.
lbeats.com.
You already know.
What'd you say?
What y'all doing?
Oh, we about to go back to the hotel room. We just got done shopping.
Oh, okay.
We just made it back to the hotel. What time is it?
Probably like 9,
8:08. It's early. I want to go get some food though.
8. Me too.
But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys quick what we got. You only got one thing. That's because you went shopping the first time we went shopping.
Keep me away from stuff. So, only reason I got something like one thing is because it was buy one get one.
lbeats.com.
Right there on the chair.
Oh,
You supposed to say, "Hey, Dad."
anyway, so we got.
She played too much.
So Asia bought me this. Oops. This nice little polo.
Okay. Work it. Work it. Work it. I watch your heel finger pants.
I got them.
Me too. I'm like, she didn't forget nothing yet.
Okay, and then Asia, you got this?
Mm-hmm.
That's the one I picked up.
True?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm saying it was.
Oh, yeah, you did. You put it back.
So I got this. I mean, Asia got this. So
What's my name?
Asia. Asia got this. I was gonna get this, but I didn't. And then I got this to match my next thing I'm gonna show you guys. These were on sale, y'all.
Oh. I'm like, what you throwing up crib for? I'm like, she doing both hands too. What the?
These were on sale. These t-shirts were actually buy one get one free. I would have got more, but then I was like, wait, we gotta save room for the trip. I mean, what's it called? Luggage. We only can bring 2 pounds back, but
Wait, what? What?
it's more than 2 pounds what we bought. So we bought book bags, and I think book bag carry-ons are free. Hopefully. If not, I'll pay for it. And then, I got some Puma sweatpants. Okay. Yeah. This, I'm gonna show y'all the whole fit.
I love when she wears such fancy. Her jumpsuit so cute on her. It fit her so well.
Got this shirt to match. Okay, put the flash on so they can see it. Okay, yes. Got the nice little Puma logo right there. And then, y'all not ready for this. To match with it, boom! Bow. Yes. So it's like this. I'm gonna show y'all. Who taught me how to dress? Who taught me? Now I just gotta get some Pumas.
Some green ones.
I want black ones. Black or white ones so I can match everything.
Oh, perfect for it.
Anyways, that's it. What we got today? Oh, we got more. Anyways, that's what we got.
Yeah. That's what we got. That's what we got. That's what we got. Got. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Share with who? Your mama, your aunties, your uncles, cousins.
All that. You
Your
know
daughters, your
it.
sons,
You should know
grandkids.
it by now. Anyways, like I always say, have a blessed day, and we'll be back for more videos. Bye.
My baby, my